The age-old social structure dictated that women need to stay inside the home, taking care of all, when men will go out to earn bread and butter. This has been practiced since ages when the world outside was not safe. Gender equality can be achieved when both male and female individuals are treated in similar way. Even in the family, when we both male and female members are treated in the same way, it is the best place to grow, learn, and add great values. Now, the time has changed and we have successfully made our environment quite safer. Women can step forward, get educated, pursue their passion, and share the weight of a family with the men. We can join our hands to eradicate the inequality that prevails in our society.
Boys don't play with dolls. Girls don't like cars. You are crying like a girl. Oh my god, it's a girl.
Yes, I am a girl.
Yes, I am a boy.
And yes, sometimes it's hard for you to accept.
I too can cry.
I too can like riding.
We both can have pink as our favorite color.
We both can love sports.
I too can learn housework.
Not just me. And yes, sometimes it's hard for you to accept. The both of us can have the same dream. The dream of flying high up in the sky. A dream is a dream, right? We can win against each other.
We can lose against each other. But Ma, Pa, we are not here to win or to lose.
We have here to live as an equal generation.
So, when you are making the rules, please make the same rules.
For both of us.
So raise us not in the way you were raised, but in the way we were born.
Equal.
You declare you see me dimly through a glass which will not shine. Though I stand before you boldly, trim in rank and marking time, you do want to hear me faintly as a whisper out of range, while my drums beat out the message and the rhythms never change. Equality, and I will be free. Equality, and I will be free. You announce my wings are wanton, that I fly from man to man. But if I'm just a shadow to you, could you ever understand? We have lived a painful history. We know the shameful past. But I keep on marching forward, and you keep on coming late. Equality, and I will be free. Equality, and I will be free. Take the blinders from your wishing. Take the paddings from your ears and confess You have heard me crying, and admit you have seen my tears. Here's the temple, so compelling. Here's the blood throb in my veins. Yes, my drums are beating nightly, and the rhythms never change. Equality, and I will be free. Equality, and I will be free.
Do these pictures are familiar for you? What do you understand from this? Yes, it is the importance of women equality. So what is women equality? Hello everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Albert Kevju and I am here to answer the question, what is women equality? So let's move on. So in a society, everyone has the right to lead his or her life accordingly without any discrimination. When this state is achieved, where all individuals are considered to be equal irrespective of caste, religion, gender, color and status, we call it equality. The most prevalent discrimination is gender inequality. Even in progressive societies and top organizations, we can see many examples of gender bias. So gender equality can only be achieved when both male and female individuals are treated similarly. Discrimination is a social menace that creates division. We stop being together and stand together to tackle our problems. This social stigma has been creeping in the underbelly of all the society for many centuries. This has also been witnessed in gender-based cases. Gender inequality is the thing of the past, as both men and women are creating history in all segments together. Nowadays, girls are equally competing with boys in schools. They are creating a landmark development in their respective profession. Women are now seeking economic independence before they get married. It gives them the confidence to stand against oppression and make decisions for themselves. Globally, women have fewer opportunities for economic participation than men, less access to basic and higher education, greater health and safety risk, and less political participation. Families may also rely on girls' labor for doing household chores, carrying water and child care, leaving limited time for schooling. But prioritizing girls' education provides perhaps the single highest return on investment in the developing world. An educated girl is more likely to postpone marriage, raise a smaller family, have healthier children, and send her own children to school. She has more opportunities to earn an income and to participate in political processes. A gender-equal society would be one where the word gender does not exist, where everyone can be themselves. With this, I am concluding my words. Thank you and have a nice day.